common EDI errors. So a lot of people say, oh, well, how do you decipher or figure out these errors as they're occurring? Well, there's format errors, there's communication errors, there's business processing errors that can occur on EDI. A lot of times what people do throughout companies is they actually put everything into the same bucket, which is unfair for EDI. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. When you have communication errors, for instance, if you're doing AS2, and remember, AS2 uses HTTP. So you might get an HTTP 500 error when you're doing AS2. Well, the nice thing about those is so that you can get familiar with them, you can look online, HTTP 500, and then an explanation behind it. Take that whole expert, look it up, and it'll give you an indication as to what is happening. Is it reaching a firewall? Is there an issue with, IP addresses? What is it? It's going to give you some type of indication as to how to resolve it. Same thing with FTP. If you get a common FTP error, do a lookup. Look it up, see what's going on, and go from there. Common other errors that are occurring is formatting errors. So a lot of the times when people are moving from one system to another system, as far as EDI solutions or EDI providers, what they don't do is they don't look at what's the existing EDI format that's being sent back and forth currently with the current system, because you want to mirror that in your new system. If you don't mirror it, well, guess what? That trading partner is expecting certain segments and elements of information when it comes across, or maybe the XML to be formatted with certain tags and, upper and lower case. Those are also issues. So you want everything to match exactly as to what the existing system is doing with that new trading partner, because you didn't go through testing. Most trading partners will not allow you to go back through testing if you've already done it. Or they'll question why. Why do you need us to go through testing again? Well, we changed our entire EDI solution. Well, guess what? Some trading partners are stringent. They'll actually shut down your EDI communication because they'll say, listen, if you're changing the whole system, we need to retest everything, and we're no longer going to be able to say that you were in production with EDI. Most of the times you don't want that. So you're doing a switch out or a change matching what is existing. If it's a new trading partner, well, hey, you're going to go through that testing. You're going to make sure that everything is correct. So that's another common mistake when it comes to EDI errors. The other thing is understanding the business rules. Understanding, are you supposed to be exchanging discounts, freight charges, miscellaneous different charges that might be occurring for, a replacement of goods, certain loss percentage that might be already factored in to the business process? Well, guess what? You need to account for that on EDI. Certain terms. Another common thing that happens is people don't have the various ship to codes set up to match. So you're linking your ship to code to the trading partner's ship to codes, or vice versa. Item numbers. Item numbers is another one where your UPC might not be matching what they're expecting, because maybe they're looking at the case UPCs and you're looking at the individual UPC. There's differences that are going on throughout the systems that might look like an EDI error, but it's actually more of a setup, because the format, when the format's been tested, the format is the format. Unless you have a system that's really going to be changing things and doing things non-standard, the format's going to be there. It just might be that the data is incorrect. So ship to codes, item numbers, missing freight charges, missing allowances of discounts, however you want to call it. All of those things factor into your common EDI errors.